Why does your scanner show the P2714 engine code? And what does it mean? The P2714 engine fault code stands for the Pressure Control Solenoid D performance or stuck off. The P2714 engine error code indicates a problem with the transmission pressure control solenoid. It means that the pressure control solenoid is not functioning properly or is stuck in the off position. In this situation, stop driving and fix your car immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low or dirty transmission fluid, transmission oil leak, transmission clutch problems, low oil pressure, transmission control module failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. It's a generic diagnostic code that usually applies to modern vehicles with automatic transmissions. It can affect vehicles from Toyota, Chevrolet, Lexus, Nissan, Acura, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.